Hi there. Need a business loan but not sure where to start? Whether you're launching a startup or expanding your company, getting approved for a business loan can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to qualify for a business loan and secure the funding you need. Let's dive in. Step 1. Know your loan options. Before applying, it's important to know your loan options. Not all business loans are the same. Here are a few common types of business loans. Term loans, best for long-term growth investments. SBA loans, government-backed loans with lower interest rates. Business lines of credit, flexible borrowing for short-term needs. Invoice financing, great for businesses waiting on customer payments. Understanding which loan is right for you will save you time and increase your chances of approval. Step 2. Check your credit score. Your credit score is one of the first things lenders look at. A higher score can mean lower interest rates and better loan terms. Here's a quick breakdown. Credit Score Guide. 750 plus, excellent, best loan rates and approvals. 700, 749, good, great options available. 650, 699, fair, some restrictions apply. Below 650, poor, you may need alternative lenders or collateral. If your score is low, don't panic. You can improve it by paying off debt, avoiding late payments, and keeping your credit utilization low. Step 3. Gather financial documents. Lenders need to see that your business is financially stable, so before applying, gather these key required documents. Business financial statements. Tax returns, last 2-3 years. Business plan. Proof of revenue, bank statements, invoices. The more prepared you are, the faster your approval process. Step 4. Determine how much you need. It's tempting to ask for a big loan, but lenders want to see realistic numbers. Calculate how much you actually need and what you can afford to repay. Loan amount and repayment plan. Determine your expenses. Consider your monthly revenue. Calculate your repayment ability. A clear repayment plan makes you look responsible to lenders. Step 5. Choose the right lender and apply. Now it's time to apply, but where should you go? Where to apply? Traditional banks can offer low-interest loans. Online lenders may offer faster approvals. Credit unions have member-friendly options. Government programs offer SBA loans for small businesses. Compare offers, check the terms, and apply where you have the best chance of approval. So there you have it. To qualify for a business loan, you need to 1. Know your loan options. 2. Check your credit score. 3. Gather financial documents. 4. Determine the right amount. And 5. Choose the best lender. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to securing the funds your business needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you are ready to start your application process, simply click the link in the description below to contact me at wealthunleashed.biz.